Welcome back to another video. Today we have Makita XGT 40 volts pre-order at Acme Tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make them to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, they are here. You guys can pre-order. It's already here. You can go to acmetools.com and pre-order the Makita XGT 40 volt cordless tools. It says Makita XGT. The new XGT 40 volts, 80 volt max systems outpowers, outsmarts, less the competitor. Cordless tools, equipment are engineered with innovative technology, optimal performance, productivity beyond limits. Makita XGT depth with XGT launch. Our blog. Pretty much that's the video we were watching. 40 volts, 4 amp hour battery, outpower, outsmart, outlast. You got rotary demolition hammers, saws, grinders, impact drivers, drill drivers, batteries, chargers, and combo kits. Let's start with the ones on the left. Let's look at them real quick. All right, so here we got a Makita GR. I'm not gonna go over every detail because obviously it'll take forever. But we got the Makita XGT 40 volt max rotary hammer kit. Seems like it does include a battery, a charger, and a bag. We got the rotary hammer kit by itself. That's the price down there. Like I said, I'm not gonna go over everything. 40 volt max rotary hammer kit with the battery in a case, hard case, $829. And then 840 demolition hammer, $679. 40 rotary hammer, 1 1/8. And then you got the 1 1/8, I believe, with the kit. And you got the demolition hammer there. So they got several different types of tools. Definitely check them out if you're interested in pretty much power Makita, bigger tools, more powerful. Then this is the line for you. You got Makita XGT 40 volt max circular saw kit, $499. You got the XGT 40 volt max circular saw kit rear handle, $239. That's bare tool. We got XGT 40 volt max reciprocating saw kit, $379. XGT 40 volt max circular saw kit, $399. You got several different circular saws. You got a regular circular side, the sidewinder, or whatever you want to call it, the side motor. Circular saw with guide, 40 volt tool, $339. You got a rear handle, I believe. Yeah, this is a rear handle, $349. You got a reciprocating saw, $229. You got a 7 1/4, $239. You got the whole kit there with one battery for $399. All right, let's look at the grinders. You got a paddle switch grinder for $239. You got a paddle switch angle grinder, the kit, which looks like maybe one battery, for $409. You got a paddle switch angle grinder for $249, and then you got a bigger grinder with the paddle switch for $309. So that's a much bigger unit there. As you guys see the difference in the wheels. Obviously the 7 to 9 inches. That's a huge monster there. For bigger applications. So definitely check them out. They got all sorts of new tools coming out. All right, this is pretty much what everybody wants to look at. We got the hammer drill driver, $349. That's the kit, 2 batteries. You got the drill driver kit, 1/2 inch. So this is the big boy with the handle, $379. You got the drill kit, 1/2 inch, just a regular drill, $329. You got the impact wrench, 4 speed, $269. You got the hammer drill with the handle, tool only, $209. You got the impact wrench, 4 speed. I believe this is the bigger one. Looks like the bigger one, $339. You got the impact wrench kit, 4 speed. It looks like the compact, the smaller one, $469. That's the kit. Looks like it's the kit with the battery. You got the 1/2 inch driver drill with the hammer. It could be a hammer drill, $199. See, I don't know these tools yet. That's why I'm all over the place. So you got the hammer drill. What is this? Hammer drill, $169. You got the impact wrench kit, $5.99. You got the hammer drill driver, $3.39. You got the impact driver for speed, $3.99. This is the kit with 2 batteries. You got impact driver, and you got drill driver. Let me look at this one, because this is definitely something I want to get. A 2-piece combo kit. It looks like you get the impact driver. You get a nice charger. You get two amp hour batteries. Pretty much it's a really nice kit there. I'm pretty sure I'm going to pick that up for the channel so we can test it. Alright, let's go back down here. So you got the drill driver 1/2 inch, $149. You got the impact driver, $209, the 4-speed. You got the impact wrench, $469. That's the combo. You got the impact wrench, 4-speed, $469. So definitely check them out, guys. There's a lot of new tools coming out. You got the combo kits here. Let's see here. You got the, looks like a drill, hammer drill, impact driver, flashlight, circular saw, $639. You got the same thing with the reciprocating saw, 2 batteries, $649. And then you got the impact driver, drill driver, $449. Yeah, definitely check them out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.